Yes, you can change the page size in of Canva without needing the Canva Pro version. But yeah, it's quite simple. So all you have to do is follow along. So yeah, let's dive right in. So normally, what you can see right here is, suppose I want to change the page size of this page over here that I'm working on. You normally go to resize, and here you go to resize, and for this you need to have the Canva Pro. Since yeah, we don't have Canva Pro, there's another option. You can simply go to the home page, and here you can custom your size beforehand. So let's type in, all right, maybe 1,000 by maybe, I don't know, 800 or something. Okay, I'm just tapping the like random numbers. So once you have custom your size, you have given your own width and height, simply tap and create new design, and your page size will change. So you do not need your Canva Pro for this, but the only thing is you have to like change your page size beforehand. So yeah, this is how you change your page size without needing your Canva Pro. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.